Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on MetaMask Wallet using a bank card or other payment methods. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your MetaMask Wallet. Once you have it in front of you, the initial step involves confirming which network you are looking to utilize. This is crucial because it dictates the environment in which your transactions will occur. Simply tap the menu at the top of your wallet's interface where you'll find an option to select the network you prefer. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Ethereum main network, which is commonly used for various transactions. Pro tip: if you're new to crypto or MetaMask, always double-check that you're using the right network for the token you're buying. If you're purchasing Ethereum, ETH, for example, make sure it's the Ethereum mainnet and not another network like Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Now, as you glance at your home screen, you'll notice several distinct buttons designed for receiving, sending, and swapping cryptocurrencies. What we're interested in today is how to fund your wallet, so go ahead and tap on the Fund button and then click on Buy. It's important to be aware that the available payment methods and token options can vary. They are not only determined by the type of MetaMask integrations, but also influenced by your region. So let's select a region as an example. We'll choose the United States, and for the state, let's go with Florida. Once you've made your selection, tap Continue. In this region, buying crypto is quite flexible. You can opt for a bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a debit or credit card. For simplicity, let's choose a debit or credit card as our payment method today. After that, proceed by selecting the amount you wish to purchase. As you continue, you'll need to decide on the account to deliver your purchased crypto. MetaMask provides you with options to either create a new account, import an existing one, or connect a hardware wallet. Having set this up, you can now turn your attention to choosing the token you'd like to purchase. We'll stick with Ethereum for this example. Input the amount you want to buy, then click on Get Quotes. This feature allows you to purchase through one of the available MetaMask integrations securely. You'll find yourself redirected to their portal without having to leave the MetaMask app. At the moment, Coinbase seems to be offering the most favorable rate here, which is always a good find. Side note, you can also shop around between different platforms, like Coinbase, MoonPay, or others, to see which one offers the best rate at the time of purchase. However, always prioritize security over the price. Use well-known and reputable services to avoid any risks. Now review all the purchase details carefully. If everything aligns with your expectations and you agree with the offered rate, go ahead and tap the Buy button. You will then be prompted to enter your email, verify the transaction, and finally, input your card information and billing address to complete the process. Alternatively, if you've got crypto in another external wallet and wish to receive it in your MetaMask account, simply tap the Receive button. You can then scan the QR code or copy the wallet address to facilitate the deposit. Final tip: always be cautious when sharing your wallet address. Only send it to trusted sources and make sure you're copying the address correctly. A small error could result in lost funds. And that wraps up my guide on how to purchase crypto on MetaMask using various payment methods, including a bank card and Apple Pay or Google Pay. I hope this has been helpful, and see you in the next video.